Hello, in this lesson, we're going to see how to ask for someone's name. Okay, this is what you're going to see in this lesson. To ask for someone's name. Okay, vous demandez le nom de quelqu'un. To ask, okay, for asking the name of someone. You're going to see how you can ask, okay, for someone's name. Okay, voilà comment capable de know your moon. It's good to know how to answer to. Ni bon pour connaître façon, ok, et façon pour répondre, ok, how to answer automatiquement. So when someone asks for your name, you don't need to reflect for giving it, ok. Le monde m'a donné, pas besoin de réfléchir, ok, pour bailler. So you must give it automatically. Vous devez bailler automatiquement. Thank you. You understand what I say? A veut dire, ou doit connaître, comme je dis. So, il y a des gens qui sont capables de non, so, ou va réfléchir pour parler dans sens. But about English, to speak English, okay, about speaking English, you have to give your name automatically. You have to know, you don't need to reflect, okay, ou pas besoin réfléchir. So, you must know that. It's something that you have to okay? You must know that. Thank you. Now we have our third saying. The Lord is my shepherd. Okay. The Lord is my shepherd. L'Éternel est mon berger. The Lord is my shepherd. Okay, faster, plus rapide. The Lord is my shepherd. L'Éternel est mon berger. The Lord is my shepherd. Okay. The Lord is my shepherd. Okay, what is your? What is your? For example, name. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? La forme contactée de what is, okay, et c'est what. What is what? What's your name? Okay? What is your name? What's your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment vous relais? What is your name? What's your name? Okay? Try to say it again. Say it encore. What's your, and you add name. Thank you. Nous pas seulement non. Et pas seulement non. Nous gain full name. Okay? We have full name. Non complet. We have name. Okay? It means no. But full name, non complet. Au monde qui a demandé pour non complet, ok? What is your full name? Ok? What is your full name? What is your full name? Or what's your full name? Okay? You see? Full name, non complet. When you give your full name, you can give the first name first, not by non complet, or by prénom d'abord, in English, en anglais, okay? First name first, okay? Okay? First name. You see? First name, okay? First name. What is your first name? Okay? What is your first name? Try. Okay? First. Okay, on ferme la bouche. First name. First name. First name. First name. What is your first name? Or what's your first name? Ok, c'est prénom. We have given name. Ok, given name. Ok, given name, c'est toujours prénom. So, what is your first name? Or by prénom. What is your given name? Or what's your given name? Or by prénom. Ok, and we have for name. Ok, for name, c'est toujours prénom. Mon plus capable de écrit. Ok, ou pas passer le journée. Ok, for name. Ok, toujours prénom. You have to know. Ok, you have to know for name. Ok, vous devez connaître for name. It means prénom. Ok, try to say. Okay, yes, first name. Given name. For name. Okay, bueno, thank you. Okay, and now we have middle name. Okay, middle name c'est ok deuxième prénom, middle name. Ok, il y a deux prénoms. Ok, il y a un deuxième prénom. Ok, middle name pour deuxième prénom elles sont middle name. Ok, middle initial toujours deuxième prénom, middle initial. Middle initial c'est lettre initiale, la lettre qui commence deuxième prénom qui remettez seulement. Ok, mais il veut dire deuxième prénom, middle initial. Ok, what's your middle name? So bien on tape baili. Ok, we're gonna back on so bien. I can ask you. Okay, do you have okay any middle name or middle initial? Okay, middle name, middle initial. Let's say middle name, middle initial. Okay, initial. Okay, repeat after me. Initial. Initial. Thank you. Let's continue with last name. Okay, last name. What is your last name? Last name. What is your last name? Okay. Signature. Signature, c'est last name, not family. What is your last name? What is your last name? Okay. Repeat after me. Last name. Last name. What is your last name? What's your last name? Okay. If you are to answer, my last name is, and you give your last name. Okay, what by? Not familiar. Now we have surname. Okay, surname. Okay. Well, semble avec surnom, mais il pas surnom, c'est ok. Nom de famille. Ok, toujours signature. Surname. What is your surname? What's your surname? Ok. Quelle est votre signature? Ou bien nom de famille. Ok. Or we can say family name. Okay, family name. What's your family name? What's your family name? What is your family name? Quel est votre nom de famille ou ton nom de famille? My family name is, okay, my family name is, and you give it, okay? Si vous apprenez bon, et vous parlez, my family name is, même si vous avez parlé là, my family name is, okay, Oscar. Now we have, okay, signature, okay, signature. Signature means signature, okay? Toujours signature, nom de famille, okay? What's your signature? What is your signature? Okay? My signature is, okay? You see how to answer? Well, comment capable répondre, okay? Now we have maiden name, okay? Maiden name. Maiden name, okay? Maiden name. Mon pas besoin prononcer den, okay? Maiden name, okay? Nom d'une jeune fille avant le mariage. Avant jeune fille mariée, il était porté nom jeune fille avec des signatures qu'elle était portée à. Elle mariée, automatiquement, est-ce qu'elle veut dire? C'est maiden name. Il vient porter signature mariée, elle mariée, mais avant de marier, elle te gagne maiden name. C'est seulement pour fille qui est mariée. Ok, tu vois, ou qu'on est marié. Ok, what is your maiden name? What's your maiden name? Okay, thank you. Now we have nickname. C'est ça qui veut dire surnom. Nickname. What is your nickname? What's your nickname? Super bien, capable de dire. I don't have any nickname. Okay? Alias name. Alias name. Don't forget that nickname c'est surnom. Okay? Alias name. Alias name or alias. Okay? Alias égale à alias. Okay? Vous connaissez quelqu'un qui est tel nom et puis tout alias. Ça va dépendre. Non, ça continue par rapport à fonction, ça les fait. Ok, disons alias, il y a comparé tout. S'il y a plusieurs qui ça, il est capable de alias. Ok, alias. Ok, alias name. Et nous connaissons les policiers à rechercher. Ok, policiers. Police officer, il toujours connaît mon yo. Des fois, il y a des gens qui gagnent alias. Il y a tel monde alias. Ok, thank you. Alias name. Okay. Yes, how to answer my. Okay. Well, let's pose the question. What is your name? What is your name or what's your name? You can answer my name. Okay, my. My name is Markins. But si ma by full name, ma mette Markins. Okay, en premier. Markins Oscar. My full name is Markins Oscar. Or my name is Markins. Or I can say my name is Markins Oscar. It's not a problem to give it like that. Okay. Si c'est signature, my signature is, and I give my signature. Okay. And so forth. Okay. And so forth. Et la trier. Let's continue. If we are talking about a boy, si on a parlé d'un garçon, ok, m'a demandé, par exemple, soit demandé pour nom, ou bien m'a demandé pour nom garçon, ça qui n'a parlé de là. What is his name? Ok, what is his name? What is his name? Comment s'appelle-t-il? Comment lire-le? His name is, binary, ok? His name is, ok, il s'appelle. Thank you. If you are talking about, okay, a girl, okay, a girl, so you can say, what is her name? What is her name? Her name is, and you give her name, you by none, okay, about a girl. On va parler de une fille, parce que on va parler avec, on va parler de lui. Ou besoin qu'on non. On va pas say, what is her name? Okay? If you are talking about several people, so parler de plusieurs, okay? Plusieurs monde, you can ask the question like that. What are their names? Okay? What are their, okay, name? Okay? What are their names? Okay? Comment s'appelle-t-il? Si c'est officiellement, comment s'appelle-t-elle? Ok, comment il est? Their names are, okay, their name, their, okay, names are, and you give. And Thank you. So you understand. Important, okay? Okay? What is your name? What is your name? My name is. I think, wait a moment, okay? Attends un moment. Oh, yes, thank you. My name is Markins, and you, okay? My name is Markins, and you, okay? You see how you can extract? Marley Markins. Je m'appelle Markins, et vous, ou du moins, et toi. Or I can say my name is Markins, and you, what's your name? Okay? And you, what's your name? Okay? Or what is your name? Since the mettez, okay? IS, like that. Okay? What is your name? Okay? What's your name? What's your name? And you, what's your name? You have a nice name. Vous avez un beau nom. You have a nice name. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Do you understand? Now you can ask me for my name, okay? Ask me for my name. Madame Nom Kunya, okay? Thank you. You can comment, you can share, okay? If you want, you can like it. And ask, okay, other questions to know more. Ou ka poser l'autre question pour connaître plus, okay? Pa oublier Malice Mandebouki. What is your surname? Bouki répond. M'pa gen sir. Don't forget to subscribe if you like. God bless you. Bye.